Hi everyone, welcome back to Homemade by Jenny. Today I will be making tacos with nachos as well. I'm gonna also be making a couple salsa because we have a work event tomorrow. It's a work potluck. So I was gonna make a meaty cheesy taco dip and a corn and mango salsa. So because I'm making it for tomorrow, I decided we're just also gonna use the same ingredients for dinner tonight as well. So let me show you the ingredients we'll be using today. I have here ground beef, some grated cheese, so it's just a mix of cheese, some of the blue corn tortillas there, the cream cheese, cilantro, onion, lime, shallot, jalapenos, tomatoes, corn, and of course the mango. And I also have a kit because we like using the softened our taco shells for dinner. So I have all the ingredients here to show you what I'll be using because I'm filming and trying to prep at the same time. So I will just start prepping the ingredients, and once I get to the portion where I'm mixing and putting the ingredients together, I will film and show you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make my nachos. Right now I'm just lining my tray with aluminum foil. This just makes it easier for cleanup. And then I'm gonna put on my tortilla chips at the same time, set on my oven. The oven, I think I'm just gonna set it to broil. Because all I need is just really the cheese to melt. So I'm gonna try to do like a single layer here, just because I want the cheese and the meat to get filled everywhere. And once you pick this up, you just pick it up and dip it in the salsa, the sour cream, mango and cheese. On top of this, I will top it with the Mexican cheese. So it's just pre-grated Mexican or mix of cheese. On here it says there's a mix of 3 cheese. And the cheeses are cheddar, Monterey Jack, and Pico mozzarella. Those are the ones. So I'm just gonna do a quick thin layer first of the cheese, and then I'm gonna top it with some of the taco beef. Here. Just a thin layer here. It's a little too much on this part here, but I'll sprinkle it around. Okay, that looks pretty decent. And then I top it off with more cheese and pop it in the oven. Ooh, just a thicker layer of cheese here so that everywhere gets a little cheese. And that's it. This is gonna go directly into the oven to cook. And that will be our nachos. And usually with this afterwards, I usually top it off with pico de gallo if you want, or you can just eat it on the side and just dip it in the salsa as you like. So this just goes directly in there to bake, and that's it.